Welcome to 1883 Fairport Road in Pickering. Beautiful 4+2 bedroom, 4-bath home in desirable Dunbarton area. Grand foyer, oak stairs, hardwood floors on main. Separate entrance to finished basement with 2 bedrooms, rec room, and 4-piece bath. Furnace 2016. Roof, deck, gazebo 2015. Close to William Dunbar Public, Dunbarton High, and St. Mary's Catholic High School. Steps to a park and bus stop, which connects to Scarborough U of T, York, Centennial, Seneca or Uoit, and Durham College. Quick access to GO train, close to Pickering Town and Rec Center. Come and see it today.